Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Angie Dickinson, and it's my pleasure to be your cabin service director on board your British Airways flight today to Los Angeles. I would also like to add a special warm welcome to our executive card holders and our One World frequent flyers. During our flight today, we do recommend that you do keep your seatbelts fastened at all times when seated, and they must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt signs are illuminated. And of course, as a reminder, smoking is not permitted anywhere on board the aircraft. Very shortly now we will be commencing with our cabin service, followed by the sale of our duty-free service, and details of the items available can be found in your Shop in the World brochure, which you will find a copy of in the seat pocket in front of you. The duty-free service will close approximately 1 hour 15 minutes prior to our arrival into Los Angeles. If there is anything more that we can do as a crew to make your journey more comfortable, please do let us know, and we will do our utmost to oblige your request wherever and whenever possible. In the meantime, please do enjoy the hospitality of British Airways, and I would like to wish you all a very pleasant flight with us to Los Angeles today. And just before we do commence the cabin service, we will be distributing the customs forms required by the authorities in Los Angeles. All passengers, regardless of nationality, are required to complete one of the forms, and one form is sufficient for 4 family members. Please take one from the crew when they pass through the cabin and keep it with your passport ready for arrival. Thank you.